Hi guys, this is Gian here, and in this video we're going to talk about the One Inbox app and how to set up your automations and your workflows whenever somebody leaves a response on your website or sends you a text message or sends you an email. They get an automatic response back. We're going to talk about set up automations, how to do that, and where to go in your One Inbox app to do that. All right, here we are at One Inbox, and you signed up and you want to do your automations. Here's where you go to do your automations. You log into your One Inbox app on your desktop, and you go down the side menu till you see automations. There are a few preset automations in here that I would encourage you to use. The first of all is the Fast 5 Lite automation, and when you start using your calendar app, there's some recipes here for appointment booking, missed calls, text back automatic, set that up as well. Facebook Messenger, when you get a message from Facebook, have an automated message go with that. If you want to, every time somebody replies to your Google My Business account, you can set up that messaging center as well. Or you can start from scratch, which is something I recommend doing. If you have a particular automation that you want to do and go through, click from start from scratch. Now, the first thing that is required in any automation is a trigger. You go up here to rename it, to name this test flow. All right, click on trigger right here. You have all these different things that you can trigger an event with. Most of the time it's going to be a web form that's filled out. It's going to be a tag that is applied, a contact tag that is applied to a particular client. You can have different tags, different areas in the pipeline, and they get a tag, and once that tag is added to that particular person, then a certain action will happen. You go to contact tags and you hit when a tag is added, and your different tags are listed here, but you can also create new tags by just hitting add new tag. Let's say that in this automation I'm going to have, when the new prospect tag is added, I'm going to do this. You can also do multiple tags, not only when they're added, but you could add an appointment. Yeah, you can also, add when they call in or do different things in the pipeline. There's all kinds of things here. When they're sending an invoice, you need to have a follow-up system. Determine, kind of write out what you want to happen, and then make this workflow work for that. When a new person is tagged with this prospect, what I usually tell you to do is have them assigned to a user. In this case, it's going to be assigned to me. Have opportunity, create or update an opportunity, put them in a pipeline. That way you'll have a new place to see that contact in a visual format. And I'll show you a pipeline towards the end of the video. And then start setting up automations. Let's say you want to send them an email. You can set up the email there. I'm just going to choose a template just to make it easy. Okay, the email, set up the text messaging. Again, you can set up templates. And you can do a whole series of these emails and templates. After you send your first one, first response, you can then put let's say every day you want to send them a piece of information. You put 1 day wait. And when that 1 day wait happens, then you send them another batch of emails, information. Or you can add a decision point. You can put if or else, right? If they respond, you can rename it if they respond. As I was saying, you can set up a decision point by going to the plus sign, hitting if else, click on if else, and then I already have one set up. Click off of that. If they say yes, branch contact replied yes. Okay, this happens. If there's no response, then this happens. Okay, this is what you do: is you hit contact replied. Yeah, contact replied, and the answer was yes. This would happen, and that would happen. And then you can add more. Intent type is positive, yes, and then it will ask them to go to a demo, ask to send an internal notification. Notification is when they send you as the user information that this contact needs to be you need to be in touch with this contact right here. Or you can have it set up you an automated call, right? It'll try to reach out to the client and then do like a three-way call with you, send them a voice message that you pre-record right here, and then it will send up another internal notification letting you know that they didn't respond to any of the information that you sent them. All right, that's really how you set up your automations. It can get more complex, and I would refer you to call our support desk and show you more how to integrate different users, different calendars, different events, different activities, all customized. All can be customized right here under the workflow tab. And you can set up a whole month's worth of email campaigns, a whole month's worth of text messaging campaigns, all right here under the workflow tab. I hope that makes sense to you, and I look forward to talking to you further about how to set up your workflows using One Inbox app. If you don't know what One Inbox app is and you're first time here and you've watched this video and you're like, what is this? This is a app that allows you to integrate all these different formats into one inbox. Your text message, your email, your voicemail, your voice phone calls, your social media DMs. It can all be integrated into one inbox. So you don't have to go into different apps, different locations to find all this information, and then it's all recorded into one spot and under their contact information so that you can see where you last left off with that particular client, and you can pick up the conversation where you left off. You can also do invoicing, you can set up calendar events, you can do chat messaging, you can do all kinds of things through this one app, and automations is part of that process, that you're not having to sit by your phone 24/7 replying back to people's information. And there's three different packages that we offer. The first package is if you do it yourself, do everything yourself, it's just $97 a month. You can have our full support. We'll walk you through on the phone how to set up certain things, or go back and forth via Zoom and show you step by step how to set it up. Or you can hire us and we can set it up for you. This is for companies that have more than one employee and you want multiple users, a whole sales team, a whole department to have access to this app and to have access to your client information. And you can set it up where it's automated and different users are scheduled, and it's a kind of a round robin type of situation where they get assigned clients and customers to work with, and there's a follow-up systems and different integrations in your sales pipeline can be all integrated, and we can help set that up for you for a one-time fee. And then if you want to use our ad platform where you're setting up Facebook ads or Google ads, and you want that integrated, we have a platform that does this for you and saves you 200% on your ad costs, as opposed to hiring an ad agency that has to market their ad cost up 200% plus their expertise and their time involved to set up these ads. These ads are automatically pre-populated in your industry, and they have proven to convert ads clicks into customers, and you can see the conversion rate right there. Before you even run the ad, you know how much it's going to cost per customer that comes into your funnel. Cost per customer. Again, it's $297 for the ad platform and a $500 setup fee for that. And if you want to be an affiliate of mine, you just click on the affiliate link right here at the bottom of the screen, and it will take you to this free affiliate program where I'll teach you how to set up a six-figure SaaS business using the software that runs One Inbox app right here on the screen. That being said, let's get started. You can go to oneinboxapp.com and sign up for that. And if you want to schedule a demo, you just click on this demo calendar right here, click a date, click a time, and put your personal information in there, your contact information in there, and we will contact you very, very shortly. You get an automatic response right from the website, and we will set up a demo call where we will walk you through the software step by step and answer any questions that you have about the software before you even get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you like this video, you're going to love this video right here.